เ ring with his face.
Penguin Cove. Where's the Penguin Cove? Penguin bun.
Huh?
You have a penguin bun.
No. There's no penguin.
我到现在没有看到一个。
他们在睡觉。Hello？ 他们在睡觉。哦，有，你看。天哪！
哦，2只、3只。
哎，很难 catch 到哎。I need to use the active track.
可能上面更多。我觉得它这个还可以，对啊，但是还是
会再来了，你要就买。没有 iron on patch。我的伞。Like, you want a video? I'll give you. You must. Maybe 叮换班时间吧。从另外一个雷，你可以帮我看吗？想要去这个地方，那个。
Take the shuttle 呢？
靠你那里想等我过来，可以吗？应该会的。
你有问吗
Is it unlimited ride?
啊
Unlimited ride?
啊，免费的。
Does it go to the thing?
Go to the show.
啊，
12:30 show.
下一个站了，2个站内了，下一个站。
OK.
坐了，坐了，坐了。啊，next one.坐前面啊，等下它可以开啊。比较细一点。
你闻到盘丹的味道吗？你知道它种很多盘丹，看它下面这些都是盘丹，just to get rid of the。
那我们吃斑斓东西也不会来咬我们哦。
到了，这样而已。有啲patient one patient back and forth back and forth 这样而已。
这样啊？
谢谢。
这样爽啊！都在山前面。
哦，这里很凉，这边也是。No，我们要进口很热。
Good view. How is it?
No good. Very sweet.
You see, yes, I'm going to reduce and do. To keep at least 1 meter between the birds and do paper corner the birds. Don't touch the birds. If they land on you, let them pop up at the nearest railing. If you need the assistance, then call out to any of our keepers. Do not face the camera or phone too close to our birds, and always keep safe distance to take photographs. Keep your shiny objects, such as your jewelry, keys, and coins. Don't feed our birds with your food. Join our official feeding program instead. We hope that this has been helpful for you and enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around.
你们好，
你告诉我。
Now my name is Lynn, I'm your guide, and today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. And I'm with my friend Durga. Hello everyone. Now I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now did you know that I have traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year. Now Durga, she is very passionate and a little bit crazy. I'm not crazy. Crazy for birds. Right? Yes, that's right. Okay, Durga, can you share with everyone? Or even more. Wow! Hashtag show off. Lynn, I thought you were friends. Okay, I'm kidding aside, okay? Everyone, let us begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible big birds. First up, South America. Let's go! Now we will be taking a drive to the fort and then a boat ride on the Temple Pata River. We might see the footprints of the jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! Wow! You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet here in the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Jurong Wayland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick on the lake. Now this whaling is the largest of its kind in the world. Everyone, you guys are a minute to welcome Adrian and Ferrari, our talent course. Now, some of the course they can be found in South America, and they have sharp and pointy bills, which means they can eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in the unripe fruits that are not good for the birds. So eating them neutralizes the toxin. So Adrian and Ferrari, come on, come over to your rock wall. This way. It looks like they are enjoying their view right up there. Come on, one will lead the way. No? No, never mind. So did you know that eating clay has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? Yes, that's right. No upset tummies. Okay, so Adrian and Ferrari, whenever you're ready, you can go to the rock wall. Okay, everyone, can you have a big hand? I want to see more birds. Okay, so let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Let's go! Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. Oh, wow! So nice. We have more. You think? Oh, alright then. Okay, Durga, very important question. 400 species. Enough birds? No, not enough. I want to see more. See, this is what I think. So since Durga here wants to see more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park, and here they come. Hello there. Now with me here, this is Higgins, a green-winged macaw. And green-winged macaws like Higgins here, they are one of the largest in the macaw family. And Higgins is about 10 years old. And with me, I have Katie, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos like Katie, they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. And can all of you see the yellow feathers on his head? That is called a crest. Sulfur is yellow, and that's how these birds get their name, the sulfur-crested cockatoos. Now parrots, they mate for life and they mate devoted parents, okay? So they take advantage of random trivialities or tree hollows, just like this one right here, to build their nest. They use nesting materials like tree bark, dried leaves, or even twigs, and they will drop it into the nest hole. And if the hole is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So everyone, let's watch them in action. Now, if you are wondering what's happening inside, everyone, eyes on the screen. Oh, the pigeons right there. Oh, so cute. Katie, Katie, look, it's you. Where's your quick, Katie? There you go. Peekaboo. Look at that. And there you go. Thank you very much, Katie and Higgins, as well as their wonderful trainers. Hey, that's a rooster. The rooster here in the park. Can y'all see the rooster? Where? There? Oh, Lynn, look, that's the rooster. No, Durga. There's the rooster. Lynn, that is an Amazon parrot. Okay, so you don't believe me, right? No, I don't. Okay, how about you stand right there and you just listen carefully, okay? Can I just turn on the microphone? Okay, can you show Durga how you do the rooster? See, I told you right. Okay, I believe you now. Okay, now everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. So before Quincy here mimic some sounds, Quincy, can you welcome our guests? Did you catch what he said? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's say this one more time. Ready, Quincy? Let's go. Hey, you didn't say parrot. Let's try it one more time. The whole sentence, okay? Very good. Good job, Quincy. So earlier on, you heard Quincy mimic the rooster. This time he's going to mimic another animal sound. Okay, let's do the cat, okay? Still munching on his feet right there. Do that? Okay, how do you do the cat? Ooh, that was a very fierce cat. Okay, let's do one more sound. Let's do a high-tech sound. How about the telephone? There you go. Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone? Good job, Quincy. Our parrots, they copy sounds made by their family members in the wild. So if they copy human sounds, they are basically doing what they hear around them. That's right. So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai style. That's right. Okay, now everyone, let's watch Amigo in action. Okay, Amigo, let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello. That's very nice and sweet hello. Now he can say his own name. So tell everyone here what's your name. Amigo. Very cute. Okay, Amigo, there are a lot of them right here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Wow, that's very nice to hear. Now Amigo is going to sing. Yeah, Amigo is going to sing a birthday song. So can I find out, is there anyone celebrating your birthday today? Raise up your hands, what's your birthday? Yes, right over there? Okay, we have one celebrating their birthdays right there. Anyone else? Birthdays? 2, 3. Hello, 3. Okay, anyone else from that side? 4. Okay, now so for the 4 of you, Amigo is going to sing you a birthday song. Ready, Amigo? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get when you buy yourself a pet parrot would be a bird just like Big John. Hi, Big John. Oh, let me know. Wow. Bye-bye. Okay, so everyone, please do think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times, okay? Before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, thank you very much, Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots. Now, each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold in the pet trade. They can live up to 50 years in captivity, and then it is a lifetime commitment. So if you think that they will make good pets, sadly, they won't. That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come down to the bird paradise instead, where you can see all these beautiful birds, right, Durga? Yes, that's right, Lee. So what's next? Now, Durga, did you know that Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Parrot? Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loop. And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loop. Hello there, you want to join us right here? Come on. Look at that. Now, everyone, this right here is Elmo, our beautiful Togo Toucan and Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So what Elmo will be doing right now is he is going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through the giant Fruit Loop. Ready, Elmo? Let's go. Now, crickets, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through the gaps in the forest, just like our giant Fruit Loop. Okay, Elmo, anytime you're ready, back to me. And there you go. Thank you very much, Kellogg's, for sponsoring Wings of the World. Good job, Elmo. Right now, we are about to meet an iconic species of bird, and that is our Oriental Pied Hornbill. Now, everyone, right there with Calvin, we have Oris and Oriental Pied Hornbill. So Oris here has a very heartwarming story. He fell out of the nest as a chick and he hurt his spine. So in the wild, Oris would have not survived, but here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health where he has a safe, permanent home with us. That's very nice to hear. Now, toucans and hornbills, they have two major differences. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America, and hornbills, they can only be found in Asia or Africa. And hornbills also have a distinctive feature over their beaks, known as the cusp. It can be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored. Durga, is there anything else you can spot? Yes, there is. They are also great hoppers. Everyone, let's watch them hop. Hop, hop. Oh, that's very cute. Okay, Elmo, how about you? Wow, well done. Now, toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. And hornbills, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Now, this also helps them to go up and down branches. Okay, it's now your turn to check. Their tongues. So hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to cross through into their mouth, okay? So right now, let's check this out for Elmo first. What? There you go. Alright, now Oris, your turn. Whoa. Now, these 2 birds are also known to catch insects in mid-flight. Okay, and we are going to demonstrate that to you as well. Okay, Elmo, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Whoa! Okay, how about you, Oris? On the count of 1, 2, and 3. Wow, another perfect catch. And we're gonna come on, let's give it up for Oris and Elmo. Thank you. Hornbills, they have a unique nesting behavior. They like to nest high up on tree cavities, just like that one right up there. And right here in the bird paradise, you can see that behavior without even leaving your seats. From the smaller Oriental Pied Hornbill, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great Pied Hornbill. What a beautiful sight. So, we find hornbills, like they are one of the largest and In Borneo, certain villagers believe that if a hornbill flies over their village, they will be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? And can you all hear that? Now that is a vocalization of a great high hornbill. Now in a very short while, we will be making our way out to the nest box. Now the female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. It needs to be spacious and needs to have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Oh, look at that, she's already in. Now then, the male hornbill will bring her mud and then she will mix it with fresh roots or even her own droppings to create a strong seal. And with that, everyone, let's welcome the male, shall we? Keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny, our very high hornbill. Wow. So what Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for Vicky. Now for up to 4 months, Sunny will feed Vicky and the chicks to that small gap in the nest hole. Right away, here it comes. Now if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone, let's watch this. So this is what happens in the wild. The female will inspect the nest cavity and only if she likes it, then she will pop right in. Look at that, there goes. And right now we have the male hornbill feeding her through a small gap. Now his unique nesting behavior is similar to almost 62 different species of hornbills. Alright, looks like Sunny's are busy feeding Vicky. Oh, you're back? Okay, Sunny, it's time for you to head back home. Home means that way. Bye-bye. And there you go. Can we give a hornbill for weekend, everyone? Hornbills are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted for their class known as the red ivory. So what happened to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. And that is why I'm right here in Mandai because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to help protect these beautiful birds. And as a birder, I love to see all these birds out in the wild and also right here in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone, my name is Kelvin from Mandai Bird Paradise. My team and I work hard to keep our birds engaged, enriched, and active. In a short while, I'll be introducing you to some more of our beautiful birds. And let's give a moment for our birder and our guide to get ready first. Looks like we're set to go. Let's keep our eyes right up there and welcome our beautiful corneas. What the corneas are landed on an enrichment device called a monkey kiss. It is true, time is not, and in this dawn, we have hidden treats for the birds to forage. This helps them express their natural foraging behaviors as they would in the wild. Corneas, they originate from South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the pet trade every year. In fact, there are more corneas in people's homes than there are in the wild. On the monkey teeth, we have two types of corneas. We have the Yende as well as the sun corneas. Looks like they're all my back. Let's get a big hand, everyone.
Thank you very much, Kelvin, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident corneas. We have been to Asia and we've been to South America, and I think it only makes sense to head to Africa. Let's go! Now everyone, here we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. And we are here to see a very special bird that can be found in lakes, lagoons and ponds of Africa and Southern Arabia. What are we talking about? Our wing-backed pelican! Hello, Rose! Wow! Now, wing-backed pelicans, they fish with other birds to scoop up prey using their massive quills and throat pouches. Wow, interesting. before we carry on, let's push the safety stumps back. Okay. Let's go. Now birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary. They are loving and fiercely protective of their young. They are smart and agile. And that is why they are also known as one of the strongest creatures of this planet. And that is also why I love traveling across continents to see them. But Lee, yes, you know what would be great right now? What is it? To see birds from all over the world, right here, right now. Wow, Durga, you know what? I think your wish is about to come true. Really? Yes. How? Let's go that way. That way, come on.
$35. Yeah. Yeah.
是更便宜啊。
原来就是 fan 哎，很多哎。
哎，很大哎，你看
人家一直
它的 fan 很大啊，不像我们的那个。
那个 cannot make it
那个我一直我弄这样大力，可是没有风扇啊。
做不到。I need it. Nah, not really.
嗯。
Okay 嘞。Okay, I think this is good. The wind is coming up.
不是 come from here 吗？
It come from here also. I think I need this. We should go and buy this. Oh, okay.
Online 不是很便宜啊。
neck 叫做 neck fan. Hey, we need this. Go outside and buy. Neck fan.
我觉得这个很大嘞。